Hi folks, St. Paul Steam here. This is a plant I just got done with. It's a Jensen 75 BB. This is actually older than it looks. This is about from the early 70s. I just had a new platform. The other one was pretty crappy. But I did my usual thing to it. I've got one of my special banjo pressure gauges on it, and you can see it's climbing pretty rapidly right now. I've got a voltage reducer built into it. It's got a over 600 watt immersion rod heater in it. I did put some custom fake governor balls on it, and she's climbing rapidly, so I better get this going. This is my first steaming. So let's turn this down a little bit. Okay. I haven't even run this on steam yet. And there we go. Probably should have put a paper towel down to clean the booth out of it. The boiler's been cleaned. And she runs really well in both directions. Let's take a little bit closer look. I'll just turn the voltage down. You can see we're running easily. It is a dual fuel, and you can shove the tablets to it or run the onboard here with variac. As long as you can see water in the sight glass, you're going to be okay, because that immersion rod tube is just below the water level. You can see the window. The chimney fits very tight, and that's a brand new chimney from Jensen. Most engines don't come with them anymore. In really good shape. Boiler doesn't have any dings on it that I can see, but a few light scratches and such. It's got a grounded port on it, an 18.3 AWG. Just to show you what this onboard variac does. Cap to match the firebox. The firebox and chimney stand are all very high temperature paints. Should stay good. This is a very fine round, really tight piston cylinder. A lot of compression. I work on a lot of engines, and the ones that don't pass muster, you'll never see it. They become parts. Safety valves lifting. But she has no problem keeping pressure. It has a brass bezel around it. You can see the bottom plastic called SPS on the very bottom. I had these custom made. So there we go, folks. As always, thanks for looking. I appreciate it. Jensen. 75 EL BB. Thanks for looking, folks. Bye now.